Hi everyone, my name is Pavan Kumar and I'm the co-founder and CTO of Cocoon Cam. So my background, quick background, I've been doing computer vision for a while. I started doing computer vision for autonomous navigation, was working on multi-camera surveillance systems, and I've also briefly spent my time at NetApp and Apple. And most recently, I started this company called Cocoon Cam with my co-founder, Siva, and yeah, it's been about 3 years now. So specifically, a little bit background about Cocoon Cam. What we do is we use computer vision and AI for contact-less health monitoring. So then that means we build algorithms to detect biometrics like your vital signs, heart rate, breathing, skin temperature, systolic blood pressure from cameras in infrared at a 5+ foot distance. And we have the first product in the market today, which is a baby monitor system. And specifically in this talk, I'm going to talk about how we leveraged our expertise in cloud-based computer vision and launched our product to market right now. And the reason why this talk is of significance to me, but also for in general, is because first and foremost thing is when you think of cloud computer vision, and in the past it has been thought that first of all it is very, very expensive. Second thing is the latency is too high, so you cannot really build a consumer product with it, or in general a product that requires a real-time response. And the last thing is the cost is so high that it is just prohibitive to even think of doing a cloud-based computer vision product. And I'm here to sort of help us think differently in that space, because right now for Cocoon Cam, we're actually doing 100% of our compute in the cloud. There is actually no processing on the hardware at all. So yeah, let's get started.